everybody, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do our Pear Deck quick check. So when you open your Pear Deck, this is the very first page you're going to go into. So I want you to go and tell me how you're feeling today. So happy, so-so, or not so great. So I'm going to say I'm happy, I'm having a great day. All right, and then it's going to show you each question. So you have your first question here. If you would like to listen to the recording, I'm going to slide this over. If you'd like to listen to me read it to you, you can click on this button right here and click on play, and that'll read to you the recording of the questions. You can have that read to you. Each of these down here are colors, so you can write on this slide to do your work, and if you'd like to change the size of your pin, you just change it right here. So this will allow you to go through and show your work. I will be checking to make sure that you are showing your work, so make sure you do it. So once you get your answer choice, on the next slide, you're going to see the same exact question and the answer choices. All you have to do is click on the answer that you pick. It's that simple. And then you go to the next problem and you have the same thing. You have your audio down here in the corner again. You can write on it to show your work. You will write on it to show your work, rather. And then get your answer and select your answer choice on the next slide. And then keep going. You have a total of 10 questions. Remember, this is a grade. This is a test grade. So make sure you're doing your best. I'm checking to make sure that you're doing your work, not only because it's a grade, but because I want to make sure that you know what you're doing, and I can help you if you have any questions, so I can see what your thinking is. If you don't show me your thinking, I don't know for sure that you totally understand the question, and I won't know how to help you. So please make sure that you are doing your very best. I can see exactly which slide you're on and exactly what you're doing on that slide. So please make sure you're doing your best, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all your hard work. I'm trying to end this. I guess you'll consider this a blooper, huh? Maybe if I can figure out how to end my recording. Well, oh, I see it now. Okay. I figured it out. Bye!